Hey everybody, Spartan here from SpartanTrading.com. Wanted to go over some more psychological aspects of trading and talk about overcoming a losing streak. Now, when you get into a losing streak in trading, there's a lot of things that happen mentally, and typically it is frustration that can cause you to react irrationally, do certain things like revenge trading where you keep aggressively trading the same stock that you lost on, and it just adds up. The commission burning, you're basically being chopped out of it continuously with larger size than usual. There's a lot of the times where traders will take some form of setup. They have some sort of plan, but they don't stick to the plan, and instead they start trading off of news or random speculation events, etc. And those will cause continuous losses. And again, they're going to be trading with size to try and make up what they lost. And overall, it's kind of a snowball effect, which doesn't end up working out in the end. Now, in trading, when you get into a losing streak, one of the things that I do for myself is I go back to the basics. And by going back to the basics, I go back to things like what works, what has the highest probability of working for myself when I trade. If you don't know this, you should be recording this every single trade that you take. You should be recording the setups that you take and figuring out what has the highest probability of success to determine what you should use and what you shouldn't be using, aka what you should be trading, what type of setups and what trades you should be trading. For me, things that have a high probability of success that are consistent in every single market are usually trend reversals in regards to, just very basic trend breaks. Typically, what works the best in trading is the most basic and simple things. Trend breaks, when an uptrend breaks on, let's say, an hourly time frame and confirms, so you get candles closing under the price, closing underneath these trends, take the stock short, or vice versa. When a downtrend's breaking and the stock's coming up off the bottom, price closes over it, take the stock long. Has a high probability of working. You want to get back to the mindset of, yes, I can do this, etc. And these very simple, high probability trades will get you there. Now, a lot of traders will say, why don't you just focus on those trades? And that is a good point. You can just focus on those trades. You don't need to be trading everything. You can just trade the simple stuff. Now, if the simple stuff is no longer working, that may be for a reason. As the market changes, so do the setups and the probabilities of these setups working. So that's something to be recognizing in trading as you go through the motions. One thing that I know that has worked consistently in all markets is those trend breaks. Uptrends tend to hold. And when an uptrend's holding, you can play long off of the uptrend and risk just under it. That's a good risk reward and a good high probability setup to take. Trends always have worked and they will continue to work. Channel trading, etc. When stocks break out of ranges, break out of highs, and there's no resistance above them, they tend to go higher. When stocks break lows and tend to go lower, they tend to go lower. Simple things like this is what you should be focusing on when you are in these losing streaks to try and break them. It is hard and it is obviously frustrating when you are in those areas, but what you should be doing is reducing size, focus on the basics, and get back to just the simple things and get those wins back. Once you get the wins back, you can kind of increase size, ease into it. The key thing is to remember when you are getting frustrated to take a step back. A lot of the times I tell traders if they have multiple trades in a row that are incorrect, unprofitable, and they're wrong, to take a step back, take a break for 30 minutes, break that mindset, come back, and then continue trading after with a fresh mindset. Treat every single trade like you're starting at zero P&L for the day. That type of mindset will help you become less emotional, etc., and you're less likely to revenge trade. So anyways, just wanted to hit you with a little bit of psychological basics today. This is how I think when I do get into some form of a losing streak, just to gain back that consistency. If you guys got questions for me, you can visit us at SpartanTrading.com or email me at Spartan@SpartanTrading.com. Happy to help you guys. Have a good rest of the day today, and we'll be back soon. Thank you.